Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes Knechtkes, and in this video I want to show you one of rock history's most famous solos. I'm talking about the solo played by Slash himself, Sweet Child of Mine by Guns N' Roses. We are about to check out the first part of the solo. I mean, in the song obviously are several solos, but I want to make sure you to check it out because there are so many cool things going on there in terms of vibrato or bending, for example, and it's so much fun to play, and it's not that hard to learn, also for beginner players or people who are not that long into solo playing. So we start like this. I will play it for you for now so you know what we are talking about. I think you will like this very much indeed. We start in the 14th fret of the G string, go to the 12th fret and then to the 11th fret. And we do that twice. Okay? 14, 12, 11, 14, 12, 11. And then we play 14th fret, 12th fret, and then the 14th fret on the D string. And we do that twice too. And at the end of any of those phrases, we do a slight vibrato. Practice that for now. And then again we play 14 and 12th fret until there. And then we go. We have a bending in the 14th fret of the G string, a release, that means that we go back to the 14th fret without a bending, a whole tone bending of course, okay, and then 12th fret, then again, a whole tone bend, but then without a release. So. And then we go to the 15th fret of the B string. And we play, we hit it once and twice, and then the second time we do a whole tone bend there. And a release too. So. So the whole thing. Slight vibrato if you like. So the whole thing. That's quite a jump here. And a lot of bending going on in this one. Make sure that you also train your hearing in terms of the pitch. You probably heard that sometimes I overbend it because I do it so often that after a while you sometimes don't hit the right pitch because it's hard to bend enough but not too much. You see, you can really hit a wrong note there, and it will take some time to get a feeling for the right amount of pressure to hit the right note. And also, have fun with it. It's one of rock history's most famous solos, so take a listen to it. And by the way, don't forget when you play together or along with the recording that the guitar of Slash was tuned 1/2 step down. So he has every string tuned a 1/2 step down, so the guitar actually, he plays in those very same frets as we do here, but he has his guitar tuned down. So don't worry when it doesn't really fit to the recording. You have to tune down your guitar, but those are the right frets when you tune your guitar 1/2 step down. So thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video. Bye.